Okay, so a new day again. So we shall see what we can get today. Because today is Thursday, generally the best day to trade of the week for this week. Because yesterday we got FOMC minutes. So looking at this chart right now, this is the 1 hour. And this one delete. Okay, so this is the 1 hour refined to the 5 minute CB. Okay. Okay, so this is the 1 hour CB that was in premium yesterday. Like I've been saying, right, from this range to this range, I mean stating from this range down to this range, the premium would be the 1 hour CB. So this is what I've been stating. I always have been looking for the 1 hour CB. Okay, so this is 1 hour CB and we refine it to the 5 minute chart. That's why you can see is that's this small one. So as you can see, we trade up, left relative equal highs here, which is really clean. So right now we are working in the premium range. So you can see we work a lot of long time inside this discount range. Okay, from here to here, work. Finally we are in premium range right now. So I would want to explore higher prices. Okay, this relative equal high here is just too clean. So right now this 1 hour refined to 5 minute BC will be very important. So we got buy side here as well. Okay, so we got buy side here as well. So we got minor buy side here. We got a 5 minute CB up here, and we also got the first fair value gap. Yesterday's first fair value gap above us. So definitely gun to my head, I'm aiming for higher prices. So let's go to 1 minute chart and get the end dog out. Okay, so this is the end dog. So we're gonna draw the end dog out. So close here. Close here. White. And I like to lock it. And this is gonna be 10 and dog. Okay, then I like to clone it. 18.0 opening price, it will be here. Okay. Okay, so this is probably the 4 hour CB quadrants. Yeah, have a lot of things on the chart here, so bear with me for a while. Okay, so this is a 4 CB high low. Gotta find what is this. Never mind, this is nothing. So it clears outside. So a small scalp from here, reaching up to the buy side, which is with offer two handle plus. Don't know why it's not showing me the dollar chart, but it's okay. Let's see from here. Okay, dollar going higher. That means it's will aid us for going lower. Let's have a look at Nasdaq as well. MNUU 2025. Okay. So Nasdaq looking really firm to the upside. Okay, so this is the fair value gap. If it comes down here, I'm gonna pop one more time. Yep, there we go. Bye. Okay, there we go. Stop loss. Okay. Okay, because I still don't know why. Nasdaq chart not coming out. Never mind, it's okay. I'll just. Okay, now I'm gonna see at the 224 until the 315 low. See if Nasdaq got anything or not, okay? Okay, the 224. Okay, so this low, we also form higher lows. And then let's see where's the buy side. Okay, we can see Nasdaq doesn't want to trade this pack at the moment. We form kind of like an immediate rebalance here. So you're likely going to see a spooling higher. So let's go back to so sell side cleared. Market structure shift, fair value gap. This is definitely a good trade for me to take. And what time is this? 3:15. So usually at 3:30 London will form that turning point. Okay, so if I'm on my live account, definitely I will enter this trade, okay? But not at the moment. Okay, so this is the buy side level, and the next draw will be the yesterday AM fair value gap. So here you got super clean buy side. Here is the lowest hanging fruit. Dollar also cannot see. Looks like I got a very nice reaction here. See, sell side cleared, market structure shift, fair value gap. And right now I measured this for Fulcrum point. Let's get the negative 1.25 level out. Okay. And we can measure also from here to here. Okay, from here to here. Okay, another Fulcrum point, we got the negative 1.25 level here. So right now things are looking really nice. We're gonna expect price to continue cooling higher. And this is the Okay, this is the 1 hour refine in 5 minutes. Okay, I will want to see close above it. Beautiful. I'll shift my TP target higher a bit. Let's get the negative one level. Very nice. Right now, this two is in an order block and looking at this CE week here. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq very nice. Above the 324 swing high, and then the Asia high is in the crosshairs. Yeah, we got buy side here. So usually London I won't really see 1 minute because I don't like, oh, look at all this volume imbalance and stuff, you know. Now let's see if we start spooling higher. Because we close above this 1 hour CB, we find to 5 minute one. See this volume imbalance here. Wanna see support price? Yep, like this. This is a very nice reaction and pops above that buy side. So if we can close above this 1 hour refine fair value gap, then I will shift my stop loss below here because right now this is seen as a ITL, intermediate swing low. Nice. So this is the 324 high, and let's look at this high as well. 2 2 a.m. Okay, let's see what next Nasdaq doing. So Nasdaq is firm above this 324 high and the 2 a.m. high. Okay, let's try 2 a.m. high. Okay, so it's very clear that Nasdaq is very firm to the upside, reaching for the Asia buy side already here. Looking very nicely. Okay, we have a second time trading up here but rejected lower. Okay, it's not what I really like to see. Let's have a look at dollar. Okay, dollar is pulling higher. Okay, that makes sense to why Nasdaq is not, S&P is not able to pull through. Let's look at Forex. Okay, Forex going lower. That means we are trading against the order flow, and that also means let down your expectations. But again, as long as Nasdaq is still in play, everything I'm seeing is still in play. Okay, so as long as Nasdaq stays above this 324 swing high, then it will bring S&P up. Okay, because if you look at 5 minutes, you can see here you got relative equal highs, and here you got a CB. So it's just the same thing as S&P, relative equal highs and CB. But I'm expecting price to reach up for the 930 fair gap. The yesterday's first AM 930 fair gap. No, I don't like how it's rejecting here. Okay. So the next level we gotta pay attention to is this. Okay, it's the 5294 level. Okay, 5294 level. Okay, so at the moment seeing price like that, right? I don't expect any sort of retracement anymore. Okay, so actually You can see 5-minute chart, we trade into this volume balance, spool higher. So I want to see it start spooling above this buy side, this way we got high. So in 3 minutes, you can see that also. So right now my stop loss, I'll just trade it here because now I don't expect this fair value gap to be traded back into. Okay, so just small loss right now. Very nice. So this is the first Fulcrum point, and I'm taking profit at a -1 level, and the -1.25 level is right here. So I'm going to try to squeeze the lemon and see how much I can squeeze here. Okay, even though saying squeeze the lemon, but basically I'm just getting my 5 handles. So yeah, let's go and see Nasdaq. So Nasdaq will determine how we trade. Okay, so this high 339 high. Okay, so this is the 339 high. So right now I'm seeing above this swing high. How is S&P gonna trade above this swing high? Will it stay firm or will it start rejecting? Okay, let's look at Nasdaq. So Nasdaq rejected from this swing high here. Which is not what I like to see. And let's look at dollar. Okay, dollar still spooling higher. Okay. Stop loss the trail. Okay, I don't like this rejection. So to be honest here, first partial will be off already, right? If we still look at Nasdaq, okay, I'm gonna see how Nasdaq is gonna trade above this. Will it trade above this high? Will it stay firm above this high? Right now, this will be the determining factor. Okay, because if you look at 15-minute chart, so we got the buy side here, we got the 15-minute CB high, 15-minute CB high here as well. So and if you draw the dealing range from on top here, fuck. You draw a dealing range from on top here to under here. You can see this is the first fair value gap in the premium. So definitely I'm expecting price to reach for the premium. Because again, if you're seeing this chart, you can see that, you know, we have worked. Okay, I'll change the, okay. Nah, this looks more better, right? Okay, so you can see just like S&P. So from this dealing range, we have worked in discount many times a day. But premium is not yet touched. So definitely I will expect it to happen there. So for S&P is the same thing. If I'm here to here, if I'm going to measure it, so definitely the fifth premium will be on top here. So I'm just going to pull it higher a bit. Because if Nasdaq were to do that, then we can expect S&P to, you know, perform as well. Because you draw from here to here, the premium, let's eyeball it, the premium is right here. So there we go. Okay, very nice. Want to start seeing it start spooling, you know. Because 1 more minute to 350 macro. So in the 5-minute chart, my stop loss is right below this intermediate swing high. And CE wick here is a balanced price range. You can see wicks and bodies here, balanced price range. So let's look at dollar. Okay, dollars pulling lower. Forex. Yes, Forex had a retracement up and right now still lower. So We are still not in symmetry, but we must see dollar, okay? And we must see Nasdaq, okay? Nasdaq looks pretty firm. So right now, this is like the fulcrum point, okay? Let's see how high does it want to go. Because we are officially in the 350 macro, look at the time here, 350 macro. So in the macro time, we can expect sort of spooling. And right now, what is the narrative? The narrative is that from here to here, we have worked a lot. Sorry, for if you go to the 15-minute chart, okay, if you draw a daily range from here to here, we have worked a lot in the discount. So expect premium is right here. So this is the Asia buy side. Okay, right now we retrace back into the fair value gap with volume balance. I want to start seeing it stay firm and continue to the upside. Okay, Nasdaq is at the discount range right now. So if it's so close to you, definitely I would expect it to reach for the order block. If I get stopped out, it will be just a small loss, okay? Forex is just looking firm to the downside. We came down to fill this fair value gap here. This buy side is still in the crosshairs. Definitely, I'll expect it to reach that. That's why once again, I didn't take profit at this lowest hanging fruit here, which is the buy side here. 12 ticks is like 4 handles, right? So it would actually be a nice nice rejection. But this already tell me that, the trade don't look as nice as I wanted it to look like just now. Because we really should start spooling higher if it wants to now. Okay, Euro, Forex looking okay, decent. Nice, we cleared sell side. See if we want to start reaching higher. If it starts reaching higher, that means we are in symmetry. Then we can start moving more easily as well. Okay, dollars pulling lower. Okay, very nice. Okay, very nice. Forex is doing very nicely. So now the next time it comes above this swing high, I'm going to expect speed above it. Okay. And for the TP target, I'll just keep it short and sweet. Let's just take it at the first AM fair to get, okay? So yeah, I'll come back and see you later. Now it's time to rest. So Nasdaq firm. Let's see S&P. Okay, so we got it. Price traded above here. And today is a profit trade. Yeah, so buy here. So right now I'm gonna see if 6292. Let's see if we reach up here. The so reach the premium 6296, but here I will take it 6300. So 692 to 6300, 8 handles trade, and bam, there we go. That's it for today's trading, guys. But I just took it below here at 6296.5. Okay, so there we go. That's it for today.